All right, hello. I am in Paris. Bonjour. This is my last day. It is a heat wave, like 100 degrees Fahrenheit, like 40 degrees Celsius all week. So we're flying out tomorrow. It's been an amazing time, and I'm going to Parc Monceau. It's a small park in Paris. It looks really beautiful, but I'm gonna do a quick, maybe hour-long hike around this beautiful park, and I'll share some footage from it. So that is about it. That's my partner Morgan. Hey Morgs. Hi. And we're going for a walk in Parc Monceau. All right, that is the end of our summer stroll through a park in Paris, and we're off to the Museum d'Orsay to get some cool AC and see some beautiful art, and then we're flying back to the States as the end of our Europe trip, which has been wonderful. So that is all. Have a great day or night, and until next time, see you later. Bye.